Hi, my name is Jasmine P. Fernando. So today, I'm going to talk about the tourism and hospitality business in our community. So the business I chose is Mr. Pugo. It is located in Cananga, Leyte. The business helps people in many ways. First, it creates job for cooks and staff. Because of this, some families have income to support their daily needs. Second, Mr. Pugo helps small suppliers. They buy vegetables, meat, rice, and other ingredients from local sellers. So this helps small businesses earn money too. Third, it helps the community because it gives visitors a place to eat and rest. When the tourists feel comfortable, they are more likely to come back and recommend our town to others. The theory I chose is the Harrod-Domar theory. This theory says that investment help a business grow. So if a business invests in better equipment, better materials, and earn more income, growth happens when the owner is willing to invest money to improve the business. I think the theory connects to Mr. Pogo because even small eateries need investment to grow. For example, if the owner buys better kitchen equipments, add more table and chairs, or improve the place, they can serve more customers. Because of investment, the business can become more successful in the future. So Mr. Pugo is an important hospitality business in Cananga. It provides food, creates jobs, supports small suppliers, and helps our local economy grow. So even small businesses can make differences in our community. That's all.